Traders, happy Monday. Hope everyone had a fantastic Monday to start off the week as we did in Playbook Trading, and you are off and running. Hey, quickly wanted to bring you a tier 1 trade that we took in the room only to show you what you can do if you can remain consistent and simply trade simple strategies that you can over time master and become really good at it. And then you have a qualitative and a quantitative data to make it your own strategy and do something with it. So here we go. Tier one gap that we traded in our chat room right here. The alert goes up at 647. But I want you to notice something. This chart is colored different. Why is it colored different? Because in a simple gap trading, I'm not sure what everyone's saying. I'm just sharing my strategy, and I'm not right. I'm just right within my strategy, and everyone has a different strategy, and I wish them the very best, and I think everyone has ability to be the very best. But my strategy, the reason I colored weekly chart to bring you how you can be successful, as you're rating a gap, as you're understanding the market, as you're understanding the open in the market, the weekly chart is the most important chart. And lots of time traders get caught up in the minutia of, oh, daily chart, I've got a green bar, I can't give this a tier 1 gap because it doesn't have shock value. Well, think about this. Which one is dominating is a weekly chart. And then we come down to the daily chart. At the daily chart, look what's happening here. Big red bar on Thursday. And we really didn't have any bullish action into the green bar. It's not even penetrated into 10% of this bar. So all indications that this may have a follow through all the way here, and then it gaps over this price action, pivot here over this resistance. And believe it or not, this gap, if it would have gap up over here, we wouldn't have a trading void here as much as we did here. It gapped over here, and look at the trading void. Now we're coming to how we traded this on the 2-minute chart. Now I've traded this on a 2-minute chart. Why, as you would say, okay, why was this traded at 2-minute chart? Well, look at this. It tried to go up. First of all, I mean, could have played here. Was really no setup because there was no setup here. It came down. I love this 2 red bars. No follow through here. Then we get a green bar that breaks this little consolidation here. The volume is dying, and above this green bar, the 2850 with a stop, a little bit wider stop than what I wanted to give, because if you look at the bottoming tails, the stop was 2803. I went all the way to $28. Now you can see that what happens here, because on this bar, the low was 2803, so it tested that low. So if you put the stop too tight, you would have stopped out, and then it just rallied. Now right here you have an opportunity to add for the traders, for the advanced traders. So you do have an opportunity to add. So if you wanted to add, you could add here, and then you can add here or up here, the opportunity to add with a stop right here, because if you add here, the only stop you can put is about right over here. That will be the only stop, but we didn't. We wrote this all the way here. Here's the P&L, and really good day in the market. Hope you guys are staying consistent, staying focused, and staying profitable. Happy trading.